Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 reasons why traders lose money. So number one reason is they don't practice in a simulator. The reason they have these simulators set up are for us to practice and to hone in our skills before using real money. So make sure you prove to yourself that you can be profitable in a simulator before using real money, and practice different hotkeys, share size, and even stop levels to kind of get an idea of what works for you. Also practice different strategies, because maybe a strategy works for one guy who's telling you, oh, he's buying momentum, break of highs, and it's working over and over and over, but maybe that strategy doesn't work for you. Maybe you're a pullback player or a pullback buyer. Maybe you're better at maybe looking for oversold stocks. Maybe you're better at shorting stocks. So make sure you find the strategy that works for you, and you can find that in a simulator. So number two reason traders lose money: education is key. They lack the education. So there's plenty of education at our fingertips between YouTube and books and different online forums that you can read and Reddit. Find what works for you. Don't blindly follow stock alerts. Always make up your own trading plan. Don't blindly follow recommendations. Again, follow yourself. Educate yourself. Know why you're trading a stock, when you're trading a stock, and how you're going to trade that stock. And do educate yourself daily, guys. This is something a great trader, Brian TX from the chats, have told me and it mentioned, and it stuck with me. You get what you put into this. And we were talking, I believe, about our scans, but that goes in all aspects of trading. You get what you put into this, just like anything else. A basketball player is going to get better at basketball by practicing. Well, you're going to get better at trading by practicing. So, number three, choose the right broker. Often, traders will choose the wrong broker when trying to trade. Maybe they want to day trade. Maybe they want to short stocks, but maybe they have the wrong broker for that situation. So find the broker that fits your strategy, and finding your strategy is first. So make sure you find that in the simulator, and then you can find what strategy you're going to cater to your broker. So hotkeys, bracket orders, operating hours, these are all important things to find out when choosing your broker. So operating hours is very important. So if you're a trader that looks to trade in the pre-market and you sign up with a broker that only offers 9 a.m. trading, then that may be a problem for you. So make sure you look into what trader is going to benefit you as a trader. And some traders some brokers are better for short locating stocks or shares. So if you're looking to short, then there is different brokers that are better suited for that. So make sure you find the broker that's going to work for you. So number four, always trade with a plan. And I tell this to everybody in my Discord before we start our day, is always trade with a plan. And this means know what you're trading, when you're trading it, and why you're trading it, but also have stops set, have limits of where you want to sell, and know what you're doing. So trade with a plan. It's very important. Practice discipline and avoid boredom trading. I can't tell you how many times I've lost money just because I spent too much time on the screen, wasting time when I shouldn't be sitting there. I should be doing something else, taking my profits, protecting them, and doing something else more constructive with my time. When I'm sitting there and I don't have anything to do, and I'm seeing, someone in the chat saying, "Oh, they're making money on this stock and that one," it makes you want to. It gives you that FOMO and makes you want to trade. And then sometimes you can trade out of boredom, and this really isn't a great recipe. So set rules and stick to them. One of my rules: don't boredom trade. So it's just one of my rules. So I try not to do it. Always have stops in place, even if they're mental. And you can't see that down there because of my screen, my face, but it says always have stops in place, even if mental. So whether it be pre-market, aftermarket, or daytime, it doesn't matter. I always will have a plan. I will always have a stop ready, and it may be a percentage. It may be a dollar amount, a whole dollar amount of a change. Maybe it's 20 cents, 15 cents, whatever. It doesn't matter what it is. I will always have a stop in place. You can always re-enter into your stock. I don't like buying into dips too often. I like to get out and then get back in if I can. So, next one here, number 5, and last but not least, is always take profit. How often have you been in the green on your trade but decided not to take profits because you thought you could squeeze out just a little bit more? But the thing is that in this market, green is nice. It's great to give yourself a little cushion. If you can scalp some green, especially off of your trades right away, then it gives you the cushion to then trade for either the rest of the day or you can take the time off. So focus on compound gains over time. You want to gain slow and steady. So slow and steady wins the race, and I'm a big advocate of that. So practice adjusting your stop. So after you're in the green or in profit, then practice adjusting that stop. A lot of times I'll use the ladder, so I'll just take it and I'll slide it up the ladder, and I'll leave it either in green or break even. So that way it gives my trade the room to breathe, but also allows me to not lose on the trade. So try setting sell limits into profit to minimize exposure. So this one is when OSO orders and the bracket orders, for me, I can set custom orders to sell into profit. So if it goes up maybe 5 cents, it will sell 25% of my shares. If it goes up another 10 or 15 cents, maybe it sells another 25% of my shares, leaving me with a remaining 50% of my size. That way I minimize my risk while also taking profit on the move up. So make sure you take profits into these gains as they come. So don't let them go red on you. And guys, if you found any value in this video, those are the 5 reasons that I believe traders lose money. There's obviously plenty of reasons to lose money, why you can lose money, but those are 5 very important reasons in my opinion. And if you guys think you can find any value from the Discord, you can add me on there. It's Bullish Bob, #9774. Add me on there, and if you want to ask me any questions, I'm always open to help anyone. And I have free day trade scans over there and chats. And if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.